Hey guys, it's Brian from F1 Motorsports. Today we're doing an install of an exhaust on a Opel GT. This is a car you don't see very often, and as you can tell by the exhaust, this is also an exhaust you don't see very often. The pipe is very small, and it's very little. Down below we have the other parts to the exhaust, also parts you wouldn't really see in a car nowadays, but we're gonna get this installed and take you guys along.
Baby, that's why I just be free and let it all go.
Hey guys, Jeremy here. I know I'm not in a lot of videos, but if you'd like me to get in videos, like, comment, share, let me know. But for right now, I'm gonna be helping Brendan. So while he's fixing the rear of the exhaust, I'm gonna be taking all this, cleaning all this up, this big hole here. I'm gonna attempt to weld it. It's incredibly thin, so that's not gonna be fun. Try to reattach the EGR, and then that'll take care of that. It's a lot easier to repair it than to replace the entire thing, considering the exhaust has got some flat spots and it's got weird bends.
So I'm gonna take over for Jeremy right now. He's gonna go to the store and buy some blades. I am going to clean this up with a wire brush and take all this tape off just so I can get a nice clean surface, so when Jeremy welds it, it stays and actually makes the car not have an exhaust leak.
Well, it's not pretty, but welding on rusted steel never is. So it's about as good as we can get it, and you know, with it being as bad as it is. So we smoke tested it. It was leaking from a couple spots as expected. I'm not a great welder. I'm a good welder, but not a great welder. So it's all sealed up, so it'll last as long as the pipe lasts. Really should have had a whole new system put on, but this will get them by.
We have to recover two clamps which are on the muffler and the catalytic converter. This one just wraps around the cat. It's just the one bolt. And then for the muffler, there's this bracket that has two bolts. And I'm just going to sand them, oil them, and just try to get them off without breaking. Because this car is so old, it'd be very hard to get one of these brackets again. So I'm gonna do the best I can to not break these bolts. So just an overview of what we did again. Jeremy welded on the EGR line to the exhaust. Kind of a messy weld, like we said, because of the metal condition and the rust involved. And then going down the exhaust, we put new clamps on just because they were so rusted. We had to modify this bracket also because it was rusted and it broke on us. And then going to the muffler, once again, we actually had to weld this bracket to the muffler because just because of the piping was a little different, and the piping is thicker towards the muffler where it is skinnier on the stock one, and the exhaust is completely done. So as you guys can see, the exhaust is fully installed. This one's one of the easier exhausts to install compared to other cars we work with, being European and just a higher technology. But if you guys enjoyed this video, like Jeremy said, like the video, subscribe, hit the bell, share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.